Your photos are on your phone. They might also be on your old phone, a laptop and a tablet, and maybe even an old computer you haven't touched in over a decade, and none of it is backed up anywhere. In this photostick review, I'll be talking about this portable backup device that claims to find, sort, and save up to 60,000 photos and videos on its own, with no software to install. But is it just a regular flash drive with a new name on it? That's what I'll be talking about as I go through the good and the bad aspects of this photo backup device. But if you're not interested in this review and just want to grab the photostick at a discount, then just click the link below in the description. Okay, let's get straight into the pros of the photostick Omni backup device. It finds the photos for you. This is the whole reason to get it. You connect the photo backup device and start the scan. It goes through the storage on the phone or computer it's plugged into, and it pulls out the photos and videos on its own. You're not opening folders. You're not deciding what's worth keeping. Nothing to install, nothing to set up. There's no software to put on your computer and no account to make. You plug in this portable storage device. You start the backup. You wait for it to finish. That's the whole process. Which matters because the reason most people never back anything up isn't the copying. It's the setting up. No duplicates and no giant pile of files. While it copies, it checks for files it already has and skips them. So you don't end up with the same holiday shot saved 4 times because it was sitting on 4 devices. It also sorts what it saves into folders as it goes, and it handles over 100 file types. Your files stay off the cloud. Everything it copies is stored on the device itself. Nothing goes up to a server, and there's no account attached to it. So there's no login for anyone to break into, and no company holding your family photos on your behalf. Okay, let's check out the negatives of the photostick portable storage device. It's only one copy of everything. If this ends up being the only place your photos and videos live, you've moved the risk rather than removed it. Drop it, lose it, or have it fail, and everything on it goes too. So you need to be careful where you store photostick Omni. A big video library takes its time. Copying speed depends on the computer or phone it's plugged into, not on the file backup device itself. So an old laptop with an old port will move your files a lot slower than a new one will, if you've got years of HD and 4K video sitting there, so be prepared for it taking extra time. Overall, the photostick is a solid portable backup device for anyone with photos spread across a phone, a computer, and whatever else is in the house, who has never gotten around to backing any of it up. It finds your photos and videos on its own and sorts them into folders so you're not doing it by hand. There's nothing to install and no account to sign into, so you plug it in and press one button. It takes files from a Mac, a PC, an Android phone, or an iPhone, so one device covers everything, and it keeps adding new files every week, so your backup doesn't go stale a month after you set it up. Now, if you want to grab the photostick at a big discount, then click the link below this video in the description, and you'll be taken to the best place to purchase it. Or you can instead type the following URL into your browser: habitcast.com/photostick. I hope you enjoyed this photostick review, and thanks again for watching.